What?
You gonna have to put some loft on it now?
Yeah, you might have to straighten them more. That's straight, yeah. It's okay so far.
Sketchy though, we're heading downhill now.
Yeah, I'll be ready to.
We're alright thus far. Passenger side? That mirror?
Pretty much gotta leave it here, man, until it's like well out of the damn building. It almost looks fucking 10 bomb. I got a car hard left. Like, sorry. The mirror's gonna hit the door or something. The fucking rust is in the way.
Shit. God damn it.